Hello बच्चों, how are you? I hope you all are well. And of course, you all are taking caring of yourself and as well as your family. बच्चों, I hope you all are taking caring of yourself. Please take caring of yourself, okay? So बच्चों, this is our science online class. As you can see here, today I will teach you a new chapter. And your new chapter is chapter number 11. And do you know what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Housing and Clothing. I repeat again, the name of the chapter is Housing and Clothing. Okay, let's read it first. Housing, housing, and clothing, clothing. So this is the name of the chapter. I repeat again, our new chapter is Housing and Clothing. Bachcho, it means that in this chapter, first we will study about the housing, that which type of house which type of house are found in the world. Okay, and later we will know about the clothing, that which type of clothes we have to wear or what are the types of clothes and many more things. So these things we will have to study in this chapter. Now let's read the key point of this chapter. Key point, it means that what we have to learn exactly. You can see the first point is need for a house. This is our first point. Second, different types of houses. Third, rooms in a house. Fourth, need for clothes. Fifth, we wear different clothes at different times. Bachcho, these both are the same point. Okay, so these all point we will cover in this chapter. So let's start our chapter. Are you ready? Bachcho, here I will show more pictures. Okay, so for showing or for watching the pictures, you have to be continue here. All right, so let's start. Now I am going to start our chapter. Bachcho, need for a house. Why do we need house? If I ask, why do we need a house? हमें घर की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है? You all are living in your house. So why are you all living in your house? क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ती है? आप लोग क्यों घर में रह रहे हैं? Why do we need? Do you have any idea? Yes, you can give your answer in your own words. Don't worry, I am teaching here. Okay, but we need house to live, right? And house protect us from so many things like rain, cold, wind, right? And we feel safe at our homes. So that's why it is written here. We all need a house to live. We all need a house to live. And you all are living in your house because we need a house to live. And a house protect us from the rain, cold, wind, harmful animals and hot sun. It means that not only for living we need the house, we need house for many things, like we need house for live, and as well as a house protects us from rain, cold, wind and harmful animals and hot sun, right? And we feel safe at our homes. We feel safe at our homes. So I hope you all understood well that why do we need house, right? Okay, now come ahead. Our next topic is different types of house, different types of houses. So have you seen the different types of houses in your surrounding? Don't worry, I'm teaching here, so be with me. Okay, so different types of houses, there are two main types. But first we can divide different types of houses into two types. Okay, there are too many types of houses: kacha house and pakka house. Have you listened ever such type of words, kacha house and pakka house? How many of you have kacha house or how many you have pakka house? Okay, Now tell me, what is kacha house? Do you have any idea? Okay, I am telling here. First you have to learn that there are two main types. Okay, there are two main types. How many types, bachcho? Two main types. How many types? Two main types. I repeat again. How many types we have? Yes, two types. So there are two main types of the house: kacha house and pakka house. I repeat, kacha house and pakka house. Now let's read or let's learn about both of them. Okay, so if we talk about the kacha house, what is kacha house? बच्चों, a kacha house, you can see kacha house mainly in villages, and I hope you visit. I hope you all have visited your granny's home. I mean, दादा दादी के घर आप लोग विजिट किए होंगे. ओके, नाना नानी के घर विजिट किए होंगे. सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव सीन कच्चा हाउस. Don't worry if you didn't see. So I am teaching here that which type of house come under kacha house. Okay, so kacha house, a kacha house is made up of clay and straw. Made up of clay. It means मिट्टी. straw it means आप पाइप बोल सकते हैं, बड़े बड़े स्ट्रॉ डंडे बोल सकते हैं. ओके, सो अ कच्चा हाउस इज मेड अप ऑफ क्ले एंड स्ट्रॉ. And the roof. Now if we talk about the roof, so roof is made up of thatch. बच्चों, thatch, this is a new word. THATCH. We will read or we will pronunciate it thatch. Okay, so the roof is made up of thatch. And do you know what is thatch? Thatch, it means that dry grass. It is written here. The meaning of thatch is written here, dry grass. Okay, I repeat my point. A kacha house is made up of clay and straw. Okay, a kacha house is made up of clay and straw. If I ask kacha house made up of which type of things, your answer will be clay and straw. Okay, a kacha house is made up of clay and straw. And if we talk about the roof, so the roof is made of thatch. The roof is made of thatch. And what is thatch? You can see here, it is written here, thatch, it means dry grass. So बच्चों, कच्चा house is made up of clay and straw and thatch. Okay, and it is mostly found, you can see here, it is written here, it is mostly found in villages. So I hope here you all understood well that what is kacha house. Bachcho, the example of this kacha house is like hut. Okay, hut is the type of kacha house. All right, now come to the next one. Our next topic is pakka house. Pakka house. Bachcho, you can see these three pictures here: a small house, bungalow, and apartments. So what are these? These are the type of pakka house. So which type of things we need to make this pakka house? Cement, bricks, steel, iron rod. Okay, many more things we need to make pakka house. So let's see here. We are learning about pakka house. So a pakka house is made up of bricks, cement and steel. Bachcho, iron rod is also used to make the pakka house, but instead of iron rod at some places, steel is also nowadays steel is also in used. Okay, so pakka house is made up of bricks, cement and steel, and it is mostly found in towns and cities. You can see here, these are the type of pakka house: a small house, bungalow and apartments. Okay, so these are the type of pakka house. It is very strong house. It is very strong house. It is very strong house because it is made up of bricks, cement and steel. Okay, concrete. And pakka house may be small, big or very big. Okay, you can see in the picture, this is a type of small house. Bungalow, this is a type of big house. And apartment, it means that a building that have so many flats. Okay, so many floor, and there live so many families. Okay, so it is known as apartment. All right, so we can say this is the type of very big house. Okay, bungalow is also come under very big house. Okay, so a pakka house may be small, big or very big. I hope here now you all understood well about the pakka house. So the thing that I taught you, let's revise it here first. Okay, बच्चों, first we learnt that why do we need the house? So we need house to live, and house protects us from rain, cold, wind, harmful animals and hot sun, and we feel safe at our home. After that, we learned different types of house, right? So here I taught you that there are two main types. There are two main types. What are these? These are kacha house and pakka house. After that, we learned about kacha house. Here we learned that kacha house is made up of clay and straw, and its roof made of thatch. And what is thatch? It means dry grass, and it is mostly found in blazes. After that, I taught you about the pakka house. Pakka house is This is about pakka house. So pakka house is made up of bricks, cement and steel. Pakka house is made up of bricks, cement and steel. And where are these mostly found? So these are mostly found in towns and cities. So it is mostly found in towns and cities. Okay, and it is very strong house. If I ask which type of house is very strong, so pakka house. Okay, which type of house is very strong? Pakka house. Pakka house is very strong house. And a pakka house may be small, big or very big. Okay, pakka house may be small, big or very big. And here we saw already three pictures, like a small house, bungalow and apartments. Is that clear? So dear bachcho, here the thing that I taught you, you have to read or revise these things, okay, yourself. These things already given in your book. So here I suggest you have to read your book. Okay, you have to read your book. The thing that I taught you, you have to revise. Now we will meet in the next video with more content. Okay, so till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and please take caring of yourself. Keep your hands sanitized. Don't need to go outside. All right, now we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye.